Hello and welcome. My name is Rich Guzman. I want to thank you so much for this second installment of Power Lead System Training. We're going to be focusing on today how to connect your website to your domain name. Now, in the first video, we talked about how to add a domain name inside the back office of Power Lead System. So today we're going to be focusing on how do we connect that domain to a website. So let's go over to our share screen right now. And we're going to go over and log in to the Power Lead System back office. And we're going to log in. And once we get back here, we are going to go to the Fast Start area once again. There we go. So what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to go over to where it says Fast Start. Once you click on Fast Start, you're going to go to the second step, which is Connect Website. Okay? So right here, as we go to Connect Website, we're going to scroll all the way down. And you can see right here, there's different funnels. Funnel number 1, Lead Lightning, Free Lead System, Fire Your Boss, 10X Tools. We have also My Mastery Magic Sales Funnel. We have so many different funnels here. But I want you to focus on funnel number 10, AI Sales Page. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, all you have to do is click on that box right there, and you could call it whatever you want, right? Let's say that you want to call this one AI Training. And then over here is a domain name that you chose in the previous video. If we click on Create, it's going to pop up right under this list. AI Training our domain name. So whatever domain you chose in the first step, it's going to be right there. So we're going to click on that. Now you can see that the domain name is connected to the actual funnel. All right? Pretty amazing, very, very simple, and you can get your business up and running literally in minutes. No confusion, no overwhelm, just results. All right? There we go. So guys, if you've been struggling, you've been feeling overwhelmed on how to build your business online, click on the link below this video where you can get started for free and try it out for 7 days. As a matter of fact, you can actually try out David AI on the sales page and give it a go. All right? So with that being said, my name is Rich Guzman. I will see you on the next video where we talk about traffic. Take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one.